Okay, these are my favorite tire and wheel accessories. So you can see here I've got the Meguiar's Hot Shine tire coating, and I just did this to the wheel yesterday. But first I did the Meguiar's Ultimate Wheel Cleaner, and I've used a bunch of different wheel cleaners, and lately I got this one and it's my new favorite. You spray it on and it turns pink, and then you spray it off with the hose. You don't even need to agitate it, it says. But I do have this brush here, OXO brush. It's actually a nice soft rim brush that my mom got me for Christmas one year, and it works really great. And I do that over the wheel cleaner. I spray it on, let it sit, do the brush, and then spray it off with the hose. Now here's my other tip that I've found. This is just the one I've found, and if you have other brands you like, let me know in the comments. But this Outlast brake dust repellent from Armor All, after you have the rim cleaned and you let it dry, like I did this yesterday, and then today, for instance, I spray the rim with that brake dust repellent, and it's supposed to be like a coating to repel the dust, clean longer. I think they say 4 to 5 weeks, but yeah, lasts up to 4 weeks. So if you go through the work of cleaning your rims, it's nice to do that coating on there, and Armor All has been my favorite. The other thing I wanted to say is I just tried the Meguiar's Hot Shine tire coating, and I like Armor All has a product too, but this was my first time with this one, and you'll see the tires do look quite good. Now this is more of a high shine, so if you don't always want that, you can use some of the others, but this one sprays on, and it wasn't too difficult with the dripping. But I did wipe a little bit around the edges where it does drip slightly. So it's Labor Day weekend here in the Midwest. I always like to do a few car care tips before heading into the winter. This is my LS 460 2007, and I wanted to show you these 3 products that I've found work great. And you'll see these are the original rims on my LS. I've owned it about 3 years now, and you can see there's a little bit of paint pitting, but really not bad. And these tires came on the car when I bought it too. They were quite new. But you can use these 3 products and really make your rims and tires shine. So again, if you have a favorite tire black or a brake dust repellent, Armor All is the only one I've found with that brake dust repellent. I don't think Meguiar's makes one, but I may be mistaken. Or a favorite tire brush, this one's really nice and soft, which is why I like it. It's not harsh at all like the one you'd use on the tire. But if you have a favorite, let me know in the comments and we can compare and all benefit from it. See you next time.